how to fix Viber not sending pictures. So if you're facing a problem with Viber, then first you need to check your internet connection. And once you've checked your internet connection, now you can open up your settings and then scroll down and go for apps. And here you can go for see all apps and search for Viber. And once you've opened your Viber on your settings, now you can go for storage and cache option. And here you will have clear cache. Tap on clear cache and now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store. And once you've opened your Play Store, go for the search bar, which is on the upper side, and then search for Viber. And once you've searched, here you will have open button, right? But instead of open button, if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on that update and update your application. Because if your app needs an update, then it will not function properly. So simply update it, and after updating, your problems might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then remove that. And then you can restart your device. You can simply tap and hold on to that power button. And here you will get restart option. Tap on restart, and once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. Or you can also go for your Viber, tap and hold on to that application, and then go for uninstall or app. And after uninstalling, you can again install it from your App Store or your Play Store, and then you can log into your account, and that might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.